Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Target for IQ. This is Shikha Singh, and in today's video I am going to discuss a few MCQs on the subject Sales of Goods Act 1930. And these questions are going to be really helpful for your upcoming judicial services examinations, and also there are highly chances that these questions might be asked. So let's begin. The first question is, the objective of the Sale of Goods Act 1930 is to define and amend the law relating to. The options are A. Sale of immovable properties, B. Sale of goods, C. Agreements to sale, D. All of the above. The correct answer is B. Sale of goods. Next question. The Sale of Goods Act 1930 extends to the whole of India except the state of A. Maharashtra, B. Jammu and Kashmir, C. Tamil Nadu, or D. UP. The correct answer is B. Jammu and Kashmir. Next question. Jubilee coins are goods within the meaning of Section 27 of the Sale of Goods Act. The options are A. True, B. Partly true, C. False, or D. None of the above. So the correct answer is A. True. Jubilee coins are goods within the meaning of Section 27 of the Sale of Goods Act. Next question. Under the Sale of Goods Act, goods means goods which are not in existence at the time of making the contract of sale. The options are A. Ascertained goods, B. Future goods, C. Specific goods, or D. Perishable goods. The correct answer is B. Future goods. Next question. In an agreement to sell, the property in goods is transferred in. The options are A. Past, B. Present, C. Future, D. There is no transfer to property at all. The correct answer is C. Future. Next question. Contract of sale under Section 4 of the Sale of Goods Act 1930 comprises of. The answer is A. Both executor and executed contracts of sale. Next question. Under Section 8 of the Sales of Goods Act 1930, a contract of sale of goods can be avoided where the goods have perished or damaged. The options are A. Due to the fault neither of the buyer nor the seller, B. Due to the fault of the buyer, C. Due to the fault of the seller, or D. Due to the fault of either the buyer or the seller. So the correct answer is C. Due to the fault of the seller. Next question. In a contract of sale, the price may be A. Fixed by the contract, B. Agreed to be fixed in a manner thereby agreed, C. Determined by the course of dealings between the parties, or D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. In a contract of sale, the price may be fixed by the contract, or agreed to be fixed in a manner thereby agreed, or determined by the course of dealings between the parties. So hence the correct answer is D. Next question. Condition or warranty in a contract of sale constitutes stipulation with reference to A. Time, B. Price, C. Goods, D. Delivery. The correct answer is C. Goods. Next question. In case of sale by description, there is an implied dash that the goods shall correspond to description. A. Warranty, B. Condition, C. Stipulation, D. Description. The correct answer is B. Condition. Next question. Implied condition as to merchantable quality applies to sale of goods. The options are A. Under a patent or other trade name, B. By description only, C. Either 1 or 2, D. Both 1 and 2. The correct answer is A. Under a patent or other trade name. Next question. The principle of caveat emptor as found in Section 16 of the Sale of Goods Act means that the options are A. Let the buyer be aware, B. Buyer must take a chance, C. Seller must take care, D. The seller must take a chance. The correct answer is A. Let the buyer be aware. Next question. Delivery of goods to the carrier for the purpose of transmission to the buyer automatically means that the property in goods vest in the buyer. This is true, partly true, false, or none of the above. So the answer is A. True. This statement is true. Next question. Risk prima facie passes with A. Property or ownership, B. Completed agreement, C. Verification and delivery, or D. Payment of price. The correct answer is A. Property or ownership. Next question. The Latin maxim nemo dat quod habet means. The options are A. No man can pass a better title than he has, B. Let the buyer beware, C. No consideration, no contract, or D. Ignorance of law is no excuse. The correct answer is A. No man can pass a better title than he has. Next question. A finder of goods has the power to sell the goods to give good title to the buyer if the owner of goods cannot be found with A. Ordinary diligence, B. Reasonable diligence, C. Due diligence, or D. Lack of diligence. The correct answer is B. Reasonable diligence. Next question. When the seller causes a change in the possession of goods without any change in their actual and visible custody, it is a case of. The options are A. Actual delivery, B. Constructive delivery, C. Symbolic delivery, D. Forward delivery. The correct answer is B. Constructive delivery. Next question. In case of excess delivery that is more than the contracted quantity, the buyer can A. Reject in full, B. Accept the contract quantity and reject the excess, C. Accept the whole, or D. Either 1 or 2 or 3. So the correct answer is D. Either 1 or 2 or 3, which means the buyer can reject in full or accept the contract quantity and reject the excess or accept the whole. Next question. The right of lien is available to the unpaid seller only when A. He is not in possession of the goods, B. He is in possession of the goods, C. He has delivered the goods to the carrier or transport, or D. He has delivered the goods to the buyer. The correct answer is B. He is in possession of the goods. Next question. Once possession is lost, the right of lien of the unpaid seller is also lost. This statement is true. A. Next question. If no notice is given to the original buyer to the intention to resell, the unpaid seller A. cannot claim any damages, B. has to pay to the original the profits if any on resale, C. either 1 or 2, D. both 1 and 2. The correct answer is B. has to pay the original the profits if any on resale. Next question. Following is not the right of an unpaid seller against the goods. A. Lien, B. Right of resale, C. Right of stoppage, D. Claim damages. The correct answer is D. Claim damages. Next question. A document signed by a carrier and issued to consignor that provides evidence for the receipt of goods for shipment to a specified designation and purpose is known as A. Transporter's receipt, B. Bill of loading, C. Carrier document, or D. None of the above. The correct answer is B. Bill of loading. Next question. Dash takes place when the person takes possession of the goods on behalf of and at the disposal of the buyer. A. Physical delivery, B. Simple delivery, C. Encumbrance delivery, or D. Constructive delivery. The correct answer is D. Constructive delivery. So, the constructive delivery takes place when the person takes possession of the goods on behalf of and at the disposal of the buyer. Next question. If the stipulation forms the very basis of contract or is essential to the main purpose of contract, it is A. A guarantee, B. Warranty, C. Encumbrance, or D. Condition. The correct answer is D. Condition. Next question. Goods which are either owned or possessed by the seller at the time of contract. A. Specific goods, B. Contingent goods, C. Generic goods, or D. Existing goods. The correct answer is D. Existing goods. Next question. The condition and warranties may be in the form of A. Express, B. Implied, C. Either 1 or 2, D. None of the above. The correct answer is C. Either 1 or 2. Next question. An unpaid seller is having rights against A. Goods only, B. The buyer only, C. Both goods and buyer, or D. None of the above. The correct answer is C. Both goods and buyer. An unpaid seller is having rights against both goods and buyer. Next question. The position of the hirer is that of A. Bailer, B. Bailee, C. Seller, D. Buyer. The correct answer is B. Bailee. Next question. Under this contract, it is the seller's duty to put the goods on board at his own expenses. The options are A. Free on board, B. Sales of Goods Act 1930, C. Contract Act 1872, or D. Free on ship. The correct answer is A. Free on board. Next question. Goods perishing after agreement to sell. A. Agreement becomes avoidable, B. Agreement becomes void, C. Agreement becomes a contract, or D. None of the above. The correct answer is B. Agreement becomes void. Next question. In sale, consideration is the price in terms of A. Money, B. Non-gratuitous, C. Gratuitous, D. None of the above. The correct answer is A. Money. Next question. When goods are exchanged for goods, it is A. Sale, B. Agreement to sale, C. Barter, D. Bailment. The correct answer is C. Barter. Next question. An agreement to sell is A. Executory contract, B. Executed contract, C. Both 1 and 2, or D. None of the above. The correct answer is A. Executory contract. An agreement to sell is an executory contract. Next question. Where the seller, after selling the goods, holds the goods as a bailee, then it is called as A. Symbolic delivery, B. Bail delivery, C. Nominal delivery, D. Constructive delivery. The correct answer is nominal delivery, C. Next question. Where the seller gives the buyer the bills of lading, then it is called as a symbolic delivery, B. Constructive delivery, C. Actual delivery, D. None of the above. The correct answer is A. Symbolic delivery. Next question. The term CIF stands for A. Cartridge inwards and freight, B. Corporate identity form, C. Cartage insurance and freight, D. Cost insurance and freight. So the correct answer is D. Cost insurance and freight. Next question. The contract in which the seller is bound to arrange the shipment of goods is called as A. Ex-ship contract, B. Cum-ship contract, C. Pre-shipment contract, D. Post-shipment contract. The correct answer is A. Ex-ship contract. Next question. A breach of warranty can be treated as a breach of condition. A. True, B. False, C. Partly true, D. Either true or false. The correct answer is false, B. A breach of warranty can be treated as a breach of condition, so this statement is false. Next question. The main object of contract of sale is A. Payment of price, B. Delivery of goods, C. Transfer of possession of goods, D. Transfer of property. The correct answer is C. Transfer of possession of goods. Next question. In an auction sale, if the seller makes use of pretended bidding to raise the price, then the options are A. Sale is voidable at the option of the seller, B. Sale is void, C. Sale is voidable at the option of the buyer, D. The buyer is not required to pay the excess amount charged by the seller. The correct answer is C. Sale is voidable at the option of the buyer. Next question. In sale by auction, goods are offered to be taken by A. Buyer, B. Bidders, C. Public, D. Sellers. The correct answer is B. Bidders. Next question. Even if a substantial portion of the price is paid and only a small balance is pending, the seller is still regarded as an unpaid seller. So this statement is true, A. Next question. Right of stoppage in transit can be exercised by the unpaid seller where the buyer A. is solvent, B. becomes insolvent, C. either 1 or 2, D. neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer is B. becomes insolvent. Next question. An agreement to sale is A or an contract while a sale is A or an contract. A. Valid, legal, B. Executory, valid, C. Executory, executed, or D. None of the above. The correct answer is C. Executory, executed, which means an agreement to sale is an executory contract while a sale is an executed contract. Next question. Delivery is the dash transfer of possession from one person to another. The options are A. Property, B. Voluntary, C. Goods, D. Involuntary. The correct answer is B. Voluntary, which means delivery is the voluntary transfer of possession from one person to another. Next question. Unenforceable agreements and illegal agreements means one and the same thing. So this statement is false. Next question. A warranty under the Sale of Goods Act has been defined as a stipulation. The options are A. Collateral to the main purpose of the contract, B. with regard to time, C. essential to the main purpose of the contract, or D. all of the above. The correct answer is A. Collateral to the main purpose of the contract. Next question. The process of identifying the goods and setting apart as per the intended quality or description is called A. Identification, B. Procurement, C. Ascertainment, or D. Allocation. The correct answer is the ascertainment. The process of identifying the goods and setting apart as per the intended quality or description is called ascertainment. Now the last question. Transfer of actionable claims is governed by the provisions of the Sale of Goods Act. So this statement is false. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much.